seninle konuşmak için sana söylemek istedim. Kurban. I'm sorry guys, I'm just telling my Turkish friend.
Where are you from?
I'm from Syria actually, but I live in Turkey and this is my Turkish friend, Kurban.
Kerem teşekkür ederim.
Rica ederim. Beni dinledin değil mi?
Evet
Kurban?
evet. Yarım duydum.
Evet, benim arkadaşlarımın grubu dolu dedim.
Olsun.
Ben de giremedim. Buraya
Tamam.
So guys, what were you talking about, guys? Leo, could you introduce yourself, guys? New member. Welcome, Leo. Leo, welcome.
Hello. No, I'm not England.
Kerim ben kaçıyorum kardeşim, bu gruptan ses yok. Kendine iyi bak.
Tamam, sorun değil. İyi geceler abi.
İyi geceler, eyvallah. Görüşürüz.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello my friends, how are you guys doing?
Hello.
Yes friend, I am here to improve my English. Can you guys help me?
I can hear you.
Hello. Sorry brother.
Where are you from?
I am from the land of Bangladesh. What about you?
Oh, nice. I'm from Brazil.
Oh nice. Brazil, I love Brazil. I love Brazilian football. Yes brother.
Oh, thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
We are not living our best football nowadays.
Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't mean
Okay.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll go back to glory again someday, no problem.
Someday.
Yes. What about the other people here? Oh, where in the talking Abbey studio? Thomas is gone. Fam and how do you pronounce your name? Stephanie?
Stephanie.
Is it Stephanie? Stephanie. Okay, Stephanie.
Hi.
Hi, Stephanie. For how long have you been? For how long have you been here, guys? In this application?
Sorry, I don't understand well. I start recently learn English.
From which country are you from, Stephanie?
I am